Drain Plus is our revolutionary jointing compound which is used in permeable applications, and it's ideal for those products with smaller joint widths than 1/8 of an inch. We'll show the installation of Drain Plus on this small Ombriano and Bel Paso patio. Drain Plus is extremely easy to install but requires attention to detail. Because Drain Plus is an epoxy-based jointing material, the epoxy resins will also create a sealed appearance on the product. Extreme care must be exercised when applying, spreading, and handling this material. Only trained personnel should apply this product. Any Drain Plus accidentally spread on surfaces other than the intended surface will show up as a wet look stain and cannot be easily removed. Also, the surface must be blocked off from pedestrian and vehicle traffic for 24 hours prior to using. Here's how to mix and apply Drain Plus. Make sure that the surface has had its final compaction and is totally clean. We recommend that you pressure wash the surface and use Unilock cleaners as required. You will need the following tools for this application: a squeegee, a coarse broom, a fine broom, a hose, gloves, safety glasses, a heavy-duty 1/2 inch drill, a grout mixing paddle, and a 5-gallon pail. The compound is a combination of specially graded sand, an epoxy hardener, and an epoxy activator. The best sand to use is a number 20, number 30 gradation pool filter sand. Step 1. Always mix your materials in close proximity to your installation. The mixing is accomplished using a 1/2 inch drill with a mixing paddle attachment and a 5-gallon bucket. Place the paddle into the bucket. Put all 50 pounds of sand into the bucket and immediately pour the hardener and the activator in as well. You may want to have some help doing this. Begin to mix the materials, and from a bucket of water, use the epoxy containers to scoop water into the mixture, adding small amounts at a time, until the consistency of the mixture is that of a soft milkshake. Mix for approximately 3 minutes. Always secure your mixing bucket so that it does not begin to spin or wobble. Step 2. Pre-wet the area before any application of Drain Plus. Rapidly squeegee the mixture into the joints. The mixture should readily flow into the joints. We recommend that you squeegee in various directions to ensure the joints are properly filled. You may want to go over the area 2 or 3 times. Small amounts of water can be added in order to maintain the workability. Working time in the mixture is about 10 to 20 minutes, depending on the temperature. Warning: do not allow any Drain Plus material to come in contact with any other surfaces, such as planters, curbs, walls, and concrete pool decks. Carefully tape off areas that you wish to avoid, or have someone move a barrier along as you apply the mixture. Step 3. Squeegee the entire area clean. Once the squeegee process is complete, you can use the fine-haired broom to assist in removing any excess sand from the surface. Sweep at a 45-degree angle to the joint direction when possible. Keep sweeping until all the sand is removed from the surface. Always make sure that the jointing compound finishes at the height that is 1/8 of an inch below the surface of the paver. For rounded pavers like Quartzstone, make sure that the joints are about 1/4 of an inch deep for a more natural appearance. It is very important that no one walks onto the treated area with dirty or sandy boots. Any foreign material on the surface will get epoxied to the surface, and removal is extremely difficult and costly. After applying Drain Plus, set up a barrier immediately barring any traffic for 24 hours. Failure to do so could result in a costly repair. Even considering the precautions just described, Drain Plus is easy, efficient, and fast to apply. For additional information, we recommend you visit www.unilock.com or contact your local area Unilock representative.